Welcome back to Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am your teacher Shah Sir here. My dear students, today we are going to release the test series for Karnataka SSLC State Board Language, Second Language Kannada Part 2. Already we have done with Part 1. If the students have not gone through those questions, kindly first you watch that video and then you can come back to this video and you can solve these questions. And make sure that this is your passing package, scoring package, and also the easiest way how you can clear the second language Kannada final board exam paper. So wish you all the best of luck, and as you can see here, these are the very important questions. So we are giving you minimum task every day wise. So if you go on this basis, definitely you are going to cover the entire syllabus, and also in a day you can study all the 6 subjects. So please, I want each and every student has to go with these all questions. As you can see, we have given minimum questions, and also we have given here the way how the examination point of view questions will be asked. Okay, आपको एग्जाम में किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, तो उस प्रकार से इधर पे क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. So बंधु वाक्य, one word answers, 2 word answers, sandarbha, and also the letter writing and the alankara. This is the easiest questions, as I can tell you that this is the very easiest questions. So please go through these questions, and still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it, click the bell icon, and if you like this page, do not forget to click the like button. Thank you, take care, wish you all the best of luck, and the PDF of this video will be given in the below description. You can download from there. Take care.